Good afternoon, my name's Alex Webb. I'm one of the sales team down here at Starting Skoda, and today I'm just going to be showing you around this Skoda Fabia estate. So this is the 1 litre turbocharged 95 horsepower SEL model, so the top of the range, in the gorgeous moon white metallic paint. Really beautiful car, this Fabia estate. For the age and mileage of it, it's been really well looked after as well. Now I'll show you all the way up and down the car, condition wise, all of the alloys individually as well, just so you know what to expect when you do come to view it, as we just like to be transparent and honest and give you as much of an idea of the car you're interested in as possible. We don't want anybody turning up to a site to see one of our cars and being upset about something like that. And I'll be honest, in the years that I've worked for this particular Skoda branch, it's never happened. We've done well over 500-600 deliveries nationwide over the years. Every one of them's gone really well. Everybody's always been very thankful of kind of the service we provide. And if you look on Google, type in Starting Skoda, it will come up there of all the reviews that customers do fill out for us. So feel free to have a look on there just to kind of get other customers' feedback. Now you have got your rear parking sensors just on the back there. Inside that super spacious and massive boot, loads and loads of room in there. You can see you've got the retractable parcel shelf as well. You can then pull that out again if you wanted to. And then you also do have the option to fold down those rear seats. Just going around to the other side. Again, paintwork wise, it looks beautiful. White is a really telling colour. You can often see any marks or blemishes or anything like that when you're going up and down doing these videos, but as you can see, it looks really good. All the alloys look fantastic, and there is loads of tread left on that tyre as well. Now, just to jump in the back there, you've got your 3 cloth huggy seats with the diamond pattern just on the back there as well. You then got your mats just down on the floor, full carpet mats front and rear with this model as well. But again, there's no kind of funny marks, no stains or anything like that at all that I can see on there. Just a really well looked after car. And then just to jump in the front, again, you've got those 2 cloth huggy seats with the diamond patterned on. You've also got your armrest there, which is adjustable, so height adjustable, and it does have space to fit a phone in as well. And then just showing you a few more of the features. So on the clock there, mileage wise, you've got 43,404 miles. You've then got your audio controls on the left-hand side of the wheel and your little screen controls on the right-hand side as well. And then just moving over, you've got your touchscreen with your DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connection. You've got your climate control system just below that as well, your auxiliary USB port and 12-volt charger. And you've got the 5-speed manual gearbox and manual handbrake as well. So as I said, overall, really nice looked after car. If you're interested in a Fabia estate around about this price, I doubt you're going to find one with a better history, mileage and condition as well. And there we have it. So thank you very much for watching the video. As I said, my name's Alex, but if you do want to arrange an appointment to come and have a look at the car, have a test drive, call one of the sales team on 01905 830 361. We'd be more than happy to arrange that for you. If you have a vehicle you'd like taken in part exchange, we'd be happy to give you a price. Or if you just want to come and have a drive, or if you need any finance figures, again, just let us know. We'd be more than happy to run through that with you. But thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye-bye.